Wash and dry 3 zucchinis. Use the peeler to make these thin zucchini layers. Put the zucchini layers on top of each other. Then cut them into noodles shape. Continue making all the layers. Put all zucchini noodles in a bowl. Add red pepper flakes, black pepper and salt. Add olive oil and mix all. Heat a skillet, then add some butter. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce. Add the zucchini noodles to the skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. You might serve the noodles alone or add your favorite protein. Enjoy!